Hi friends, we're back again. We've learned a lot this week about space, and today I want to do a little review, and I'm going to read this book about Pete the cat, and you're never going to believe he's going to space camp. The title of the story is Pete the Cat, Out of This World, and it looks like he's dressed like somebody we talked about this week. Could it be the astronaut? And I also see a rocket. And I think that this could be the moon. So maybe Pete's going to be an astronaut flying to the moon. Let's look and see inside of our book what Pete has to say. It's a great day. Pete the cat is going to space camp. And look, he has all of his things with him. He's even brought his guitar to go to space camp. Pete meets his bunkmate, Glenn. As they unpack, there is an announcement. Welcome, space campers. Please head to the classroom. Your mission begins now. Do you think Pete's excited? I think he probably is. I would be very excited. Time to suit up, says Pete. He and Glenn put on their uniforms and they race to their class. Look, they have uniforms that have their name on them. There are so many cool things to do and super neat stuff to see. Astronauts Tom and Chris talk about the trips they've taken, and they give a sneak peek at a future space trip. That sounds so exciting. It would totally be rad to go to space, says Pete, and he's pointing to the chart that shows Mars and Earth and the sun. The campers find out what it feels like to be an astronaut. They go in the zero gravity chamber. Gravity? Is that what you have that keeps us standing on the Earth instead of floating around? So if we were in space, we would just be floating because there's no gravity in space. But Pete's getting to see what it feels like in this special machine. They ride in a rover. That's like a car that will drive on the moon. They even build rockets, and Pete's rocket flies really, really far. Way to go, Pete, shouts Glenn. Next stop is Mission Control. We have some exciting news, says Tom. Our next flight leaves today, and we're going to the moon. And we have room for more. Do you think they're going to get to go to space? Pete, do you want to go? Asked Sally. That would be awesome, says Pete. And look, here's the countdown time. It's time to buckle up and settle into the space capsule. And look, there they are. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, liftoff. Look, the rocket's taking off to space. And now it's flying way up in the atmosphere, way out into space. Their ship speeds through space. They blast past a satellite and even spot a comet. This is a satellite. These are things that NASA sends up to collect information. Tom and Sally have a rockin' surprise for Pete. They brought his guitar. He plays a groovy interstellar song for them. Mission Control is listening. Don't you know Pete's saying something about being groovy because he always says that. In no time at all, they arrive on the moon. They're ready to explore. The astronauts collect rocks and map out the moon's surface. Oh, we've talked about making maps before, so they're going to make a map. Pete has a very important job to do. He straps on a jetpack and he heads toward Mars. He takes tons of pictures. Oh no, Pete lost track of time and the moon is far, far away. He has to make it up. He has to get back to the ship before it blasts off to go back to Earth. Do you think he's going to make it? Do you want to make a prediction and guess? Will he make it or not? Let's see. Pete, whew, he made it just in the nick of time. The astronauts head home. There's no time for a few more tunes. Pete sure knows how to make an entrance. He got back just in time. Pete's trip to outer space was out of this world. Still, he is psyched to have his feet back on solid ground. Because what happens in space? There's something called no gravity, so you just float around all the time. Rockin' on, Pete! Well, I want to show you your folder. This is a folder that I'm sending home with everybody. Everybody's getting one. In the front of your folder, there's a little packet here of those fun things I've told you about for learning things about space. And then I have a page for you to practice writing your name. And if you have a dry erase marker, you'll be able to write it and erase it. And on the back, I put a picture of all your friends in your class because I thought you might be missing them. You might want to see them, and you can practice saying Logan, Cammie, Emily, Ariana, Nicholas, Luke, Alex, Love, Amelia, Savannah, Judah, and Uriah. Then there's an alphabet chart that you can practice saying, like we do on our letter chart. You could say, A is for alligator, B is for bee, and go through the whole chart and practice. And in a moment, we'll go over our chart like we're used to doing every day. On the next page, there's another alphabet chart. Some of the pictures are different, and this one includes the numbers so you can practice counting 1 to 10. This is a counting page. You're going to count from 1 all the way to 20, and you're going to write the missing numbers in, and Ms. Hebert even helped you out by dotting the numbers so it won't be hard for you. And this is the one, too, that you can write it and erase it with a dry erase marker. And then I know some of you are interested in possibly being a meteorologist one day, and you know that's the person that forecasts the weather. I even put you some pages in here that you can predict what the weather's going to be, or you can write down today was a sunny day, and then you can say tomorrow might be raining, and you can erase that also. Then I have some pages in here about colors, and you fill in our side word A in the blanks. This one says I can, and it's lots of things that you can do, and you can even draw a picture. And guess what? You can erase it, so you can draw more than one time. Then there's some objects here that are small, medium, and large. You want to find the smallest object in each picture, but then you can also look for the one that's biggest, the one that's medium, and you can sort them out. You can circle all the small ones on one day, circle all the mediums on one day, circle all the larges. There's 2 pages like that. And then in the back pocket, I've made you some little books about some of your sight words, the I can book, I am book, things you like. And I'm sending you a book that Pete sent you about the Groovy Bake Sale. Then there's some sight word cards here that you can practice your sight words, because I know you guys are wanting to do some fun stuff at home to practice so you'll be ready for kindergarten next year. And I just wanted to help you out a little bit. So let's take a quick look up here at our calendar wall. And we want to remember that spring is here now. Here's our weather chart. Today is a little rainy. Let's say the days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. And who remembers how many days there are in a week? 7, you're right. I knew you would know. And we know that our calendar tells us 3 important things. It tells us the month of the year, the day of the week, and the date. And I want you to remember to take a look at your calendar every day. I'm sure your parents have one that you can look at. And you can remember what day of the week is it. You can find it on your calendar. You can see what the date is. Let's go on and count to 30 because March has 30 days. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, and then one more thing. Let's practice our sound chart. We used to do this every day. Remember, you took turns. Everybody did different sections. So today, we're going to do the whole thing at once. And I know that I sent you one of these at the first of the year, so I hope you have it and you can get it out and we can all do it together. Are you ready? Here we go. Apple, apple, baby, baby, ba, ba, ba. Cookie, cookie, cup, cup, cup. Dolly, dolly, da, da, da. Elbow, elbow, Flower, flower, f, f, f. Garden, garden, g, g, g. Hammer, hammer, ha, ha, ha. Igloo, igloo, it. Jelly, jelly, j, j, j. Kitten, kitten, k, k, k. Lion, lion, oh. Monkey, monkey, Necklace, necklace, Ostrich, ostrich, ah. Pumpkin, pumpkin, p, p, p. Quarter, quarter, qua, qua, qua. Rabbit, rabbit, Scissors, scissors, s, s, s. Tiger, tiger, t, t, t. Undershirt, undershirt, Vacuum, vacuum, v, v, v. Window, window, wa. X-ray, x-ray, x, x, x. Yo-yo, yo-yo, ya. Zebra, zebra, z, z, z. And remember, Z is that one that tickles our tongue when we say it. Well, I hope you've enjoyed being here today and this week and all of our fun lessons about space. I hope you learned some fun things, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.